the following is not a type of operating system? A. Real-time operating system. B. Batch processing operating system. C. Graphic operating system. D. Network operating system. So the answer is C. Graphic operating system. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 17. What is the purpose of the command prompt in an operating system? A. To execute user commands. B. To display system messages. C. To manage files and directories. D. All of the above. So the answer is A. To execute user commands. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 18. What is the role of the FAT file system in Windows operating systems? A. File allocation table. B. File access table. C. File attribute table. D. File action table. So the answer is A. File allocation table. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 19. Which of the following is a function of the operating system's file manager? A. Memory management. B. Device driver management. C. File and directory manipulation. D. CPU scheduling. So the answer is C. File and directory manipulation. So we are moved towards our next question. Question B. What is the purpose of a command interpreter shell? A. Manage hardware resources. B. Manage software resources. C. Interpret and execute user commands. D. Allocate memory. So the answer is C. Interpret and execute user commands. So we are moved towards our next question. Question PYQs. What is the role of a bootloader in an operating system? A. Load the operating system into memory during startup. B. Manage file permissions. C. Control access to system resources. D. Monitor network traffic. So the answer is A. Load the operating system into memory during startup. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 22. Which file system is commonly used in Windows operating systems? A. ext4. B. FAT32. C. HFS Jor. D. XFS. So the answer is B. FAT32. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 23. What is the purpose of a system call in operating systems? A. Perform low-level hardware operations. B. Facilitate communication between processors. C. Manage files and directories. D. Execute user commands. So the answer is B. Facilitate communication between processors. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 24. Which scheduling algorithm aims to minimize the waiting time of processors? A. First come first serve FCFS. B. Round robin. C. Shortest job next SJN. D. Priority scheduling. So the answer is C. Shortest job next SJN. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 25. What is the role of a spooler in operating systems? A. Manage memory allocation. B. Queue and manage print jobs. C. Schedule tasks. D. Control access to files. So the answer is B. Queue and manage print jobs. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 26. In a multi-programming system, what is the purpose of the scheduler? A. Allocate memory to processors. B. Manage file systems. C. Control access to hardware resources. D. Select the next process to execute. So the answer is D. Select the next process to execute. So we are moved towards our next question. Question 27. What is the purpose of the grep command in Unix Linux? A. Copy files. B. Search for a pattern in files. C. Remove files. D. Move files. So the answer is B. Search for a pattern in files. इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो समाप्त करते हैं। और आगे ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे YouTube चैनल को।